guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to unbox my PR packages. So I have got 3 packages. One is from Pons. Yay, thank you Pons. Next one I have got is from Focallure, and the last one, oh my god, I'm so very excited. This is from Pixi. So this is the first time I have received something from Pixi, from Focallure as well as from Pons. So I thought of unboxing all of these packages with you guys. These are all because of you, so I thought of sharing this with you guys. Yes, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. By the way, before jumping onto this unboxing video, let me tell you what lipstick I'm wearing, because tons of you guys will ask me what shade is it. So I'm wearing this Nykaa So Matte liquid lipstick in the shade 04 Kudi. First I'm going to start with the Pons packaging, and first I see is a talcum powder. This is the Pons Starlit Perfume Talc, and this is in the flavor Orchid and Jasmine notes. Okay, let me open this first. It smells nice. I'm a big fan of Orchid but not a big fan of Jasmine, but this smells nice. So the next product I see in this package is the Pons sunscreen. This is the Pons Sun Protect non-oily sunscreen. So this is dermatologically tested and this is for all skin types. This is SPF 30 PA++, UVA, UVB, and this retails for rupees 199 for 80 gram, and this one retails for rupees 99 for 35 gram. Okay, let me just try this out and fill this. So this looks something like this. Let's see if it leaves any white cast or not. Okay, not really, it doesn't. Smells nice and it doesn't feel greasy, you guys. It just blended so well, so I'm really excited to try this. So the next thing I have got in this bag is the PR package, and this is the Pons Bb Cream. Okay, these are the Pons Bb Cream. So this is the Pons Bb Cream. They have recently launched one shade, and let me show you both of them. Okay, so this is the original one and this is the newly launched shade 02 medium. I hope they will come up with more shades. And let me read out what this says. The first all-in-one BB Plus Fairness Cream SPF 30 PA++ from Pons that works from outside and inside. This unique skin color matching fairness cream gives you a natural looking instant glow on the outside while working from deep inside. This is a fairness cream plus lightweight foundation. Instant spot coverage and natural glow on the outside, lightens your skin and spots from inside. Even skin tone with SPF 30 for sun protection, no clogging of pores, light non-oily texture. Okay, let me try this. They are actually mentioning this as fairness cream. I definitely don't like fairness creams, but they have mentioned they lighten your dark spots, so I like that fact, but skin lightening, not at all. So this is the original one, 01. Let me swatch this for you guys. So this is 01. So here is the difference. This is number 2, this is number 1. Number 2 will definitely suit me. I can't wait to try this because I'm not a big fan of BB cream, you guys know, but still I do want to try this out. So those were the products I got from Pons. Now let's unbox this packaging from Focallure. The first thing I got is a coupon from Focallure, 20% off coupon code. I like the packaging, by the way. I really like this. Oh my god, I got the Sunrise palette. I really wanted to try this one out. So this is the Sunrise palette. Let me open this up quickly. So this is the upper packaging, you guys. Look. So this is the palette. Oh my god. It comes with a big mirror. Look at the shades. Oh my goodness. I literally want to create a look right now. Absolutely love the shades. By the way, I think this is a cream shadow. This one. It's a cream shadow. Okay, let's swatch one shade at least. I'm going to swatch this one. Ah! This is called Pinwheel Galaxy. Oh my god. You guys know I absolutely loved my Focallure So Hot palette, and I was eyeing this palette and the brand sent me this. This shade is also so pretty. Let's watch this. Oh my god, I'm dying right now. Wait. Oh wow, love that. I'm definitely going to create a look with this. Love it, guys. Now it's time for the Pixie Beauty. Let's unbox this. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my first time, you guys, unboxing Pixi. Oh, so amazing. So let me tell you what I have received. So the first thing I have received is the Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. Next, I have received their best thing, Pixi Glow Tonic Toner. Then I have received the Pixi Glow Tonic Serum. This has glycolic acid and aloe vera. Okay, let me show you the packaging as well. Okay, it comes with a dropper. And this is the bottle. Love the packaging. Oh my god, this green shade is so pretty. And the next thing I have received is their moisturizing gel. It has aloe vera and chestnut. So this is the gel. And the last thing I have received in this box is this Pixi on the Glow. This is a multi-use moisture stick. Ooh. So this is the stick, you guys. Doesn't smell anything. Thank you guys for sending this to me. It means so much, and I'm definitely going to try this out from today, and I'm going to review them very soon. So yeah, that concludes my PR unboxing for today. Thank you so much, Pons, Focallure and Pixi, for sending these products. I'm so thankful and I'm so very happy. This is all because of you guys. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video and if you are happy like me, then give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It means a lot, you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. And yes, hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.